Yes, can I get a change for my check engine light?
And this guy needs some help.
Mira.
So yeah, we're going to be changing the throttle body. Because this guy has a check engine for the TPS.
Mira.
And he has a power steering leak, but it's okay. It's a Chevy. Brand new one right here in the box. Brand new gasket.
You're teaching people that don't know anything about mechanics how to do mechanic, huh?
Yes. I'm teaching myself.
What's this engine part for right here?
To keep the dust off the engine. See how it's all dusty?
Why did I take this one and this one off?
I don't know, man. I just work here. Yes.
Ow! First.
No, don't take it off.
Why?
We have no space.
Okay.
Or take it off if you want. Now you gotta disconnect this cable. And then you gotta take those off. They're 10 millimeters. And I think you're gonna have to take the whole thing off. Or you, no, just pull it up like this. When you're taking it off? Yes, okay. Yes.
This thing? Alright. I guess by hand.
Fast car. Or loud. One of the two.
¿Los demás supposed to stay?
Strip it. I think that's it.
Oh, that's the gasket. What's wrong with this bad boy?
The sensor.
Yeah? But this is the sensor?
Mm-hmm.
You can just replace the sensor? No. Well, yeah,
Yes, you could replace it, but
you can replace the whole thing. Did you get an OEM?
yes. Just keep that one in case.
Yeah? Keep it in there?
No, the throttle body. It's the same gasket, huh?
Yeah. You just put it in there?
Mm-hmm. Is there any oil?
No oil. Clean. Oh shit. Is that oil?
Mm-hmm.
What's that mean?
It's good. It's a Chevy. Out with the new, in with the old.
Pay attention to what you said.
Uy.
It's hot.
See where's the old one?
Yeah.
This looks beautiful.
We should put an all new engine in here.
Hmm?
Might as well put a whole new engine. Oh, this is hot. Fuck, man. Fucking radiator. The radiator is leaking.
The top one.
Why is it on tighter?
Hmm?
Why is it on tighter?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Plastic. Looks good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's easy. I don't know anything about mechanic. Okay, this should go in this way. And then it was like facing down, I think. This way in here first. Alright. Here somehow. Yeah, see, I'm a fucking beast. I'm a mechanic already.
Mechanic boy.
More cars speeding. That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, man, radiator's leaking. That's why mechanic is dangerous. Mechanicanism. Mechanicanism. Ah, that's good. That was good. That was good.
Shiny.
This was a little on the bottom. It's like. Fire her up?
Plastic.
Huh?
Plastic.
Oh shit.
Yep, perfect.
It was hard to come out. It's gonna be hard to go in. I don't know if it's in the other ones though.
No, it's only one.
Oh,
We're good. Turn it on. Now all you have to do is the idle relearn procedure. I'll put it in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We will see you later. Peace.